Hello friends, I am very much delighted to be with you all today. Thank you so much for your support and help. In Mic Tasting channel, today we are starting English program. This is our first program. I seek your blessings and support. Thank you so much. Today I am going to teach you present perfect tense. Among 12 tense, this tense is a very tricky one, very difficult one. Many scholars in English, if you ask what is meant by present perfect, they fumble, they hesitate, they may not be in a position to explain what is present perfect. They may be saying in sentence, but it's a very difficult one. Once if you learn present perfect tense, your English level will be increased. People will be amazed to see your performance. Let's see what is meant by present perfect tense. Right. Take for example, I have mentioned here Delhi, Hyderabad, Chennai. Okay, this is a car. The car is starting from Delhi. Car started from Delhi. See, now I can say car started from Delhi. That means past tense. Now, slowly car came to Hyderabad. It has reached Hyderabad. Now I can say car reached Hyderabad. Past tense. Now car moves. Slowly it reaches Chennai. Car reached Chennai. Okay. Now, three things happen, three things past tense. Car started Delhi, past tense. Car reached Hyderabad, past tense. Car started from Hyderabad, past tense. Car reached Chennai, past tense. Now, how to say present perfect tense? When did the car come to Chennai? Just now. Whenever you say just now, whenever the thing happened just now, called present perfect. See, car reached Chennai. Now in present perfect, how we should say, car has reached Chennai. Car has reached Chennai. Okay, now let's see. I, we, you, they. I, we, you, they plus have plus third verb. He, she, it. Ram, cat. Ram can be called he. Cat can be called it. He, she, it means plus, has and third verb. If you have any doubt, you can ask me always. Even whatever doubts you have, you can mention in comment box. Mr. Suresh, what's your doubt? Oh, that's right. You are thinking, what is my third verb? Right. Now, go, went, gone. Verb got three types. First verb, second verb, third verb. Present, past, gone. The same go, in past tense we should say went. Third, gone, past participle. So, eat, ate, eaten, put, see, saw, seen. The list is very big. Okay, now let's think. Whenever you should say in present perfect, you should say, I have gone. I have gone. Take for example, gone, seen, put, eaten. See, I have, this is the third verb, I have gone. I have gone to Chennai. I have gone to Mylapore. I have gone to Delhi. I have gone to US. We have seen this movie. You have seen this movie. You have eaten biryani. You have third verb. I have gone to Delhi. We have seen third verb. We have seen this movie. You have put this material in the basket. They have eaten biryani. I, we, you, they have plus third verb. He, she, it. Instead of she, instead of he, we will put Ram, Leela, something like that. So, he, she, it, Ram, cat. He has third verb. He has gone. He has gone to Delhi. He has gone to Singapore. He has gone to Mylapore, something like that. She has eaten. She has eaten chicken biryani. She has eaten pizza. It has eaten. It means dog also. It has eaten bones. Dog has eaten bones. See, I, we, you, they have he, she, it, Ram, cat, has. I, we, you, they have, he, she, it, has. What is this? Students are writing exam. Okay. They completed the exam. After completing the exam, they came out. When they completed the exam? Just now. Just now they have completed. How to say in present perfect? They have completed exam. They have completed their exam. They have completed their English exam. What to say in past tense? They completed. When we say they completed, past tense. They have completed means present perfect. When it has happened? Just now. Take for example, you are asking, hey, where is Ramesh? Where is Ramesh? Where is Ramesh? Ramesh met with an accident. When I say Ramesh met with an accident, that means past tense. Ramesh has met with an accident. That means present perfect tense. When it has happened? Just now. Okay. See, this is a glass. This is a glass. Okay. I put. What happened? It will break. When it has happened? It has happened just now. That means we should say it has happened. See, I, we, you, they have. I have come. Take for example, I am out. Now I am coming inside. I have come. Take for example, I am taking lesson. I am teaching you present perfect. Arulmani teaching present perfect is a different tense. Arulmani taught different tense, past tense. Arulmani has taught English. Arulmani has taught present perfect. It's a present perfect. Okay. Police have arrested. When they arrested? Just now. Police have arrested thief. That's all. Okay. The girl is getting award. When this girl is getting award? Just now they are calling. Hema is going to get first place in hockey. When they announce Hema coming on the stage. Hema receiving the award. Hema received award from chief guest, past tense. Hema received from chief guest, past tense. Hema has received award from chief guest. Hema has received from past tense. See here. He, she, it. He, she, it, Ram, cat. He has received award. He has received an award. She has received an award. It has jumped from the first floor. It has jumped from the first floor. I mean cat or dog. Dog jumped from first floor. For example, this man is singing. Okay, let me sing. तेरे मेरे बीच में ऐसा है ये बंधन अनजाना. Okay, I completed the song. When did I complete the song? Just now. Whatever the incident happened just now is called present perfect. Bus reached Delhi. When did it reach? Just now. It means present perfect. We can say the same thing in two types. Bus reached Chennai. Bus reached Delhi. Bus reached Mumbai. When we say bus reached Mumbai, it's a past tense. When we say in present perfect, bus has reached Chennai. Bus has reached Mumbai. See, listen, let me repeat. This bus started from Chennai and reached Mumbai. Reached Mumbai. Now I should say in two types. Bus started, past tense. Bus reached, past tense. The bus reached Mumbai. It's a past tense. Bus has reached means present perfect. Bus has reached. I said earlier, I, we, you, they, we should use have and third verb. Come, waited, painted, told, slept, taken, taught, asked. You have come. You have waited. They have painted. They have told. They have slept. He has slept in the office. He has slept in the office. She has slept in her house. It has slept in the cage. Ram has taught English. Ram has taught English. Ram has asked many questions. Like that, I, we, you, they have, and third verb, he, she, it, Ram, cat, has and third verb. See, come, came, come. As Mr. Ramesh, you asked me previously, what is meant by third verb? See, first verb, come, came, second verb, past tense, third, come, past participle. Come, came, come, wait, waited, waited, paint, painted, painted, tell, told, told, reach, reached, reached. It's a bit confused one, but even then you have to memorize everything. When you memorize everything, it's easy for you to write. When you write, automatically a third verb comes. When you say about present perfect, that means I, we, you, they have plus third verb. He, she, it has third verb. If you have any doubt, you can ask me now. Sheila? Oh, right. You want me to say a sentence about you. Sheila has asked a question. Sheila asked a question regarding English lesson. Sheila asked a question regarding present perfect. Is it right? Sheila means has plus third verb. Sheila has raised a question in English. Right? Good. Okay. I have sung a song. Already I told you for I have is to come. Have plus third verb. Sing, sang, sung. I have sung a song. I am singing a song. See, we should not use in present perfect like this. It's a wrong. I am singing a song is a different tense. I sang a song. It's also wrong. Sentence is right, but in present perfect we should not use like this. We should use I have plus third verb. Thief escaped from the jail. It's a past tense. Thief escaped from the jail. It's a past tense. It's not a present perfect. But then what we should do? Thief has escaped from the jail. It's a right. This is past. This is present perfect. Thief has escaped from the jail. Thief, he, she, it, has plus third verb. Right. She has taken a picture with Amir Khan. She would like to take a picture with Amir Khan. She has been longing to take a picture. She has been waiting for a long time. She has been waiting to meet Amir Khan. It happens now. When did she take picture? Recently. When did he take a picture? Just now. We should not say in just now. We should say she has taken a picture with Amir Khan. So, she has plus third verb. He has drawn the picture. Completed. He painted. When did he complete? Recently. He has drawn the picture just now. So, when it has happened just now, we should say in present perfect. So, he has third verb. He has plus third verb. He has drawn the picture. I have met the officer. Met the officer means what? He met the officer. Or I met the officer. When? Recently. Just now. So, I have met the officer. Have plus third verb. I met the officer just now. I met the officer just now. It's wrong. In present perfect, we should not say I met the officer just now. We should not use just now in present perfect. So we should use I, we, you, they have. He, she, it has plus third verb. Is it okay? Clear? He has gone to London. In some sentence, it won't show any tense. There is no tense at all. He has gone to London. When he has gone? No symptoms at all. So, not showing any tense. So, we can use in present perfect, he has gone to London. Okay. Some sentence, some incidents will happen in the past. It's a future. Still it will continue. Take for example, he has lived here for 20 years. He has lived here for 20 years. He started in the past. Still he is living. So, we can use this kind of sentence in present perfect. He has lived here for 20 years. Has plus third verb. He has lived here for 30 years. Okay. He has met me yesterday. He has met me yesterday. We should not say like this in present perfect. It's a wrong. It's a wrong. He has met me yesterday. We should not use yesterday at all. When we say yesterday, it's a past tense. Here, he met me yesterday. It's a right, but only in the past tense. He met me yesterday. It's a right. It's only the past tense. Then in the present perfect, how you should write? He has met me. Has plus third verb. He has met me. Is it clear? So far, we have seen what is present perfect. I think you understood a lot. Still, if you have any doubt, you can make all the things in comments box. I'll explain it. Now, we'll have a small test. After writing a test, we'll see how far you understood. We'll have a short recap. I am removing my spectacle. I removed. When did I remove? Just now. Whatever the thing happened just now, it's called present perfect. I keep my cell phone in my pocket. When did I keep? Just now. Whatever the thing happened just now, it's called present perfect. I removed. When? Just now. I have removed my cell phone from my pocket. Take for example, I am the chief guest. I am going to open the building. There is a ribbon. I am going to cut the ribbon. Now, I am holding the ribbon. Tuck. I made a cut. Now I should say, I have opened the building. I have opened the building. I have plus third verb. When did I open? Just now. Just now. Whatever the thing happened just now is called present perfect. I have completed this lesson. When did I complete? Just now. So I should use I have completed this lesson. I have completed present perfect. So I have completed the lesson. He has completed the lesson. She has completed the lesson. We have completed the lesson. I have completed the lesson. You have completed the lesson. They have completed the lesson. Okay. I have eaten an apple. I have eaten an apple. For I, we, you, they, you have to put have, third verb, an apple. We have eaten an apple. You have eaten an apple. They have eaten an apple. When it comes to he, she, it, Peter. For he, I am mentioning Peter or Hema, any name like this. He has eaten an apple. She has eaten an apple. It has eaten an apple. Peter has eaten an apple. Hema has eaten an apple. So, in present perfect, I, we, you, they, we should have and third verb plus rest of the sentence. He, she, it, we should have has, eaten, third verb and rest of the sentence. Do you understand? Do you have any doubt? Okay, now you have understood what is present perfect. Let's see, we'll have a small test. You have to fill either have or as. Okay. They dash bought a new car. Mr. Ramesh, what is your answer? Excellent. Have. Good. They have bought a new car. Sheila, you? Yes, has. She has gone to library. Aruna? Arun? Aruna has. Good, excellent. Aruna has lost a key in the bathroom. Baby dash slept. Baby dash slept. Baby have or has? Good, has. Baby has slept. I dash finished my homework. I dash finished my homework. Peter? No. I dash finished. Finished is the third verb. I dash. Good. I have finished my homework. When did I finish? Just now. Not yesterday. Just now. Okay. My dogs have. Sorry. I said answer. Okay. My dogs have. My dogs have eaten all bones. I given a bones in the bowl. My dogs have eaten everything. Good. He dash entered the office. He dash entered the office. No. You should not say. Okay, you. Kavita. He has. Good. Great. Clap. Clap for everybody. Good. Okay, he has entered the office. Has. Right. He has. Has plus third verb. Arun, it's you. Arun dash broken the glass. You only broken the glass. What? Arun has, good, excellent. Arun has broken the glass. V dash bought new laptop. V. Confusion? Good. We have, good, we have. We have bought new laptop. I dash kept the book on the table. I dash kept the book on the table. Good. I have. Okay. I have kept the book on the table. Let's see how much marks you have scored. If you have any doubt in present perfect, you put in the comment box. I'll answer to you. I think we have covered enough. Thank you so much for participation and support. Dear friends, I request you to subscribe our channel Mic Testing. Once you subscribe, we feel so proud and happy. We are making English video for first time in our Mic Testing channel. I seek your blessings and support. Thank you so much.
Mic testing, mic testing, mic testing.